Alright, so basically the clunking sound is coming from the damp adjustment knob, which there is a 17mm nut right under, and basically that's what you have to tie up so you don't experience that noise. As you can see, I'm going to move the tire up and down, and you can see this move up and down with it. So just keep focusing on it. So basically that clunking sound, you can hear it inside of the cockpit, and that's what scares a lot of people from buying the coilovers. But I mean, it's nothing serious, comes like that from factory. What I recommend to everyone that's about to buy them is do this before you even put the coilovers inside the car. So I read about that, but I was so dumb that I didn't do it, and here I am a week after I put the coilovers in, experiencing the problem. So I mean, I would still buy the coilovers over Tains any day. They're cheaper. I go lower, and you know, you can adjust the damper instead of the Tain Basics for the same price where you have no damper adjustment. All right, guys.